AI in Finance, Revolutionizing Money Management. Welcome back to AI Explained. Today, we're looking at how AI is revolutionizing finance, reshaping everything from personal banking to investment strategies. In our last video, we discussed the role of AI in redefining creativity in the entertainment industry. Now, we turn our focus to finance, where AI is becoming an indispensable tool. AI in personal finance. AI is revolutionizing personal finance. It can help manage expenses, optimize savings, and even advise on investments. Personal finance apps powered by AI can provide customized financial advice to help you reach your financial goals. AI in investment and trading. In the world of investment and trading, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to predict market trends and guide investment strategies. This is leading to more informed decisions and potentially greater returns. AI in fraud detection. AI also plays a crucial role in fraud detection. By learning to identify patterns in financial transactions, AI can alert banks and customers to suspicious activities, protecting people from financial loss. Challenges and opportunities. AI in finance presents its own challenges, including concerns about data privacy and algorithmic bias. However, the potential benefits, efficient money management, better investment decisions, and improved security make it a promising tool in the financial world. That wraps up our exploration of AI in finance. The potential of AI to revolutionize money management is immense. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Next, we'll dive into AI in transportation, driving the future. Stay tuned.